Money is a game, but most people never learn the rules. That's why it feels frustrating, confusing, or even unfair. But here's the thing, every game has a strategy, and once you figure out how to play, you can win. The best part, you don't need to be a genius or born into wealth to play well. You just need to know the moves. Think about games like chess or poker. They aren't won by luck, they're won by strategy. The same goes for money. The first step is understanding the playing field. Money flows in predictable patterns through earning, spending, saving, and investing. The key is positioning yourself to control as much of that flow as possible. One important strategy is learning to delay gratification. In games, you don't spend all your energy at the start, you pace yourself for the win. The same applies to money. It's tempting to spend everything you earn, but saving and investing part of it is like building your reserves for a winning move down the line. Instead of focusing on short-term pleasures, think about long-term gains. Another strategy is managing risks wisely. Every good player knows when to take a calculated risk and when to hold back. With money, this means understanding the difference between smart risks like investing in assets and reckless risks like gambling or unnecessary debt. Play it smart. Learn the difference between risks that grow your wealth and risks that shrink it. To win the money game, you must also master the art of compounding. Think of it as your secret weapon. In games, small advantages accumulate over time to give you a decisive edge. With money, compounding works the same way. Start saving or investing early and let time work its magic. Even if you're only putting away small amounts, the growth over years can be staggering. Another crucial rule is to play your own game, not someone else's. In every game, distractions can throw you off. In life, those distractions come in the form of societal expectations or trying to keep up with others. If you're constantly comparing your progress to someone else's, you'll miss your own opportunities. Focus on your unique financial goals and play the game that works for you. Understanding the value of assets versus liabilities is a game changer. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take it out. Many people mistakenly invest in liabilities, like expensive cars or flashy gadgets, thinking they're symbols of success. But real players know the importance of buying things that generate value, like real estate, stocks, or skills that boost earning potential. Another trick to the game is leveraging your knowledge. The more you know, the better your moves. Take time to learn about budgeting, investing, and the economy. Treat knowledge like leveling up in a video game. It opens new opportunities and equips you with better tools to handle challenges. Networking is another underappreciated rule of the game. In multiplayer games, alliances can mean the difference between winning and losing. In the money game, building relationships with like-minded people, mentors, or industry experts can open doors you didn't even know existed. Sometimes, who you know is just as important as what you know. A surprising part of the money game is your mindset. If you see money as a scarce resource, you'll always be playing defensively, afraid to make moves. But if you adopt an abundance mindset, you'll start spotting opportunities to grow wealth everywhere. Your mindset determines whether you're playing to win or just playing not to lose. You must also learn to leverage systems. Winners don't rely on sheer effort, they create systems that work for them. Automate your savings, set up passive income streams, and let technology handle routine tasks. Think of it as setting traps in a strategy game. You work smarter, not harder, to secure your wins. Another powerful move is learning negotiation skills. Money isn't just about what you earn, it's about what you keep. Whether it's negotiating a salary, haggling for a better deal, or lowering interest rates, every dollar you save is a dollar earned. Strong negotiation skills are like having a special power-up in the game. Next, always keep your eyes on the scoreboard. In games, you're constantly checking your progress. With money, that means tracking your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Knowing where you stand helps you adjust your strategy and make better moves. One game-winning move is to diversify your income streams. In many games, you don't rely on just one skill or asset to win, you build a range of resources. Apply the same principle to your finances. Relying solely on one source of income, like your job, is risky. Look for ways to add side hustles, freelance gigs, or passive income streams like dividends or royalties. The more streams you have, the more resilient you'll be in tough times. Another key is mastering emotional control. In games, rash decisions lead to defeat. With money, letting emotions like fear or greed drive your choices can be disastrous. For example, panic selling during a market dip or overspending on a treat-yourself impulse can derail your plans. Stay calm, think logically, and stick to your strategy. Learn to monetize your skills or hobbies. Everyone has talents or interests, but not everyone realizes they can turn those into money. Are you good at writing, designing, or tutoring? Do you have a knack for cooking or crafting? Find ways to offer your skills to others. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or social media can turn your passions into profit. Invest in relationships. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's also about people. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, motivate, and challenge you. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and advice that you wouldn't find on your own. Plus, networking can lead to business ventures or even career advancements. Stay ahead of the curve. In any game, staying updated on trends gives you an edge. In the money game, this means keeping up with market trends, technological advancements, and economic shifts. For example, knowing about emerging industries like artificial intelligence or renewable energy can help you make smarter investment choices. Practice stealth wealth. Winning the game doesn't mean flaunting your success. In fact, the best players are often those who quietly accumulate wealth without drawing attention to themselves. Avoid overspending on luxury items to impress others. Instead, channel that money into assets that grow your wealth. Think in terms of value, not cost. Too many people focus only on price tags without considering long-term benefits. A cheap item might cost you more in the long run if it breaks or doesn't deliver value. Investing in quality, whether it's in tools, education, or experiences, often pays off in bigger ways. Protect your wealth. In any game, defense is just as important as offense. This means getting the right insurance, creating an emergency fund, and setting up a will or trust to safeguard your assets. Without protection, one unexpected event can wipe out years of hard work. Leverage your time wisely. Time is the one resource everyone has equally, but how you use it makes all the difference. Dedicate time to learning new skills, exploring investments, or planning your financial goals. Avoid wasting hours on activities that don't align with your wealth-building plan. Reinvest in yourself. When you win small victories, like a raise or a bonus, don't just celebrate by spending it all. Reinvest a portion into your growth, whether that's in books, courses, or tools that enhance your productivity. Remember, the best investment is in your ability to generate more wealth. Understand taxation and legal advantages. The wealthiest people know how to navigate tax laws to their benefit. Learn about deductions, tax advantage accounts, and credits that can save you money. This isn't about dodging taxes, it's about playing within the rules to maximize what you keep. Don't just aim for financial independence, aim for financial legacy. Once you've mastered the basics, think about how you can pass your knowledge and wealth to the next generation. This might involve teaching your kids about money, setting up scholarships, or creating a business that continues to thrive long after you're gone. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Winning doesn't mean never making mistakes, it means learning from them and continuing forward. Celebrate every small milestone, whether it's paying off debt, hitting a savings goal, or securing your first investment. The money game isn't won in a day, it's a marathon, not a sprint. But the good news is that every move you make, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Learn the rules, stay disciplined, and play to win. Before you know it, you'll be ahead of the game.